Hey everyone, we got another ChoroQ, and today is the Honda N360. It's number 94 in the overall standard line of ChoroQs, not the Zeros, the original standard line. And this thing came out in 2004, which is what I believe that 04 stands for. Yeah, it literally says 2004 as well in the box. Alright, let's get that open. There we go. Got a little plastic sleeve to keep the cardboard from scratching it up. That's nice, although it's still messed up anyways. Oh well. Let's take a look at this guy. Oh, never mind. That could have been dust. Here's some original photos. This guy's like hubcaps. This one's got a different style of wheels entirely. And this one's modified with some mini lights. Alright. So it's actually not that far off. You know, it's a very cartoonish car in real life, being so small. But ChoroQ squished it a little bit more than that. What I'm liking about this one is this nice metallic gold here. Very cool. Not so cool are the wheels. They're just steel wheels, but they're not painted. It's just a raw silver plastic, which is weak, but I'm going to do a wheel swap. Alright, so I think this is just one piece of clear smoked plastic. You can actually see my finger back there. It's darkly smoked because it's trying to hide the motor. This is a pullback toy. They actually go quite fast. And the reason why they have this silly thing is you can put a coin here and it'll do a wheelie. But frankly, I think they're just distracting from the model itself. I guess this isn't a model, it's a toy. Alright, well, continuing on the back, we have a little bit of red here for the taillights, some raised hinges for the trunk, and then, I don't know, maybe these are reflectors or turn signals, but they're not painted on this one. It is nice that it tells you this is number 94 in the series, and it tells you what the car is. The black actually has molding raised here, so that's kind of neat. The exhaust is kind of, I don't know, it wouldn't have dual exhausts, I suppose, but this one does, kind of, sort of, as part of the base. The base is clear smoked plastic as well. It tells you what it is down here. Standard construction of a screw and a tab back here. So you can see the clear body coming through here. There wasn't much gold painted down here. Up front we have some nice vents here. No paint though, and nice ribbing here in the grill, but no paint. The Honda logo looks pretty nice. Sadly no paint on the orange turn signals, but the headlights are silver. And then we have some venting here in front of the windshield. We have the hood itself, and that's some sort of imperfection in the paint, some sort of contaminant. I guess that's it. Well, there's some sort of venting detail here on the sides. The door handle's really finely done. Okay. Let's open this up. I think I have a whole box of green light wheels that I've never actually bothered to put on anything, but I think it's worth putting on a ChoroQ. Very often this tab is like wider than the hole it goes through. It's really strange. So it's really hard to get these. I was lucky in this case. See, I think it would just be cooler if they got rid of this whole coin holder thing and just had the car. Right? No one, who cares if the thing can do a wheelie? Alright, I do need this motor back. Hold on, I have a spare one. I decided to go with the mini lights. These are actually Hot Wheels wheels. I just spray painted them silver and then, swapped out the, I took out the motor, took the axle out, and then put the motor back in because it fills up that air gap inside there. And I'm using poster putty to mount the wheels so you can have steering and camber or whatnot. But anyways, it looks like the photo behind. A few other ChoroQs. Here's another N360 I have. I forget what the story was on this one, but it's a different colorway, a different mold entirely. The side vents are just blocks, right? It seems to be cruder actually, but there's more paint details. There's a lot of silver paint back here. The front ends are quite different as well, so it's interesting. Yeah, it's actually a totally different mold. The windshields are totally a different rake. Huh. This is a Honda, I think a TN 360. It's a truck of some sort. It doesn't tell me what it is on the bottom, so I can't really say, nor does it say on the back. I think the sticker came off, or it's a used toy. Someone peeled the sticker off. Alright, so this is number 4 within the Kotowari series, and we have a Civic RS, and you can actually see Civic and Honda embossed on the back of the molding, which is kind of neat. And it came with these wheels stock, I think. So that one's pretty cool. It's got printed on windshield wipers and stuff. That's what makes Kotawari what they are. These extra windshield printings. Last one here. This one I just put some black paint into the wheels. This is a Honda S600 maybe? No, an S800, my bad. See, poster putty again. That one's got printing all over it though. Rather like it. So most Choros are generally the same size because they use the same motors. At least their cars are. I have no idea what this character is. It's just so wacky looking, I decided to buy it. It's just an old man with really shiny eyes and glasses. Alright, well, that's today's ChoroQ. Nice and quick. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.